Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Start by downloading the WordOffice Docx viewer from the official site or App Store. Follow the installer prompts and complete the 3-step setup process. Choose default options unless you need custom preferences for file associations. The installation typically completes in under 2 minutes on systems with 4 GB RAM or more. After installation, the viewer registers Docx and Doc file types so you can double-click documents to open them immediately. You are ready to view documents without installing full word processing software. To open a document, double-click a Docx file or choose File and then Open. The viewer loads the document and shows thumbnails in the left pane for quick navigation. Use the search box to find specific words and the page slider to jump directly to a page. Zoom controls let you set a percentage or fit the width for comfortable reading. The viewer renders images, tables, and styles accurately for files up to 50 MB in size. You can also switch to full-screen reading mode to focus on content. The viewer supports basic edits and annotations when edit mode is enabled in the top toolbar. Use Save to overwrite the original document or export and Save as to create a new file in Docx, PDF, or RTF formats. If editing is disabled, enable edit mode or check that the file is not write protected. For corrupted files, try the repair option, open a copy, or recover text-only content to salvage text. Keep backups and use versioning for important documents to prevent
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.